Good morning, chat. Morning, everyone. Um, Sadly to say, I missed out on this move. I was literally looking at this trade on my phone, and I wanted to take this long down here. I literally looked and I was like, okay, it came to the fair value gap that I wanted to see it respect and bounce out of, and I didn't take the trade just because I was on my phone and I didn't want something to happen, but I missed out on this move. It would have been a great move, of course. But now we just gotta be patient and wait. I do think I'm not too sure which news came out today, which made this a very bullish reaction. But I'm going to wait and see what the market wants to give us because I think we could possibly take another long here, unless we have a market structure shift. I guess a breaker structure. We just want to call it that. I would like to take a long here. I just feel like I'm gonna just be jumping into something and we could possibly see some downside. Um, which usually happens to me a lot of the times when I usually see already a big move up. I think price is gonna come back into this area and it's gonna respect it and bounce off. But majority of the time, it just comes keeps moving in the opposite direction and then some weird stuff. So I figured I'd just wait. But I would love to take a long here. I just feel like we could see some more downside, but I don't know. Because we didn't sweep this high yet, and that's we're in our previous range that we were just in yesterday. So we took I want to say we took longs yesterday, right? We took longs yesterday. We took longs yesterday. So we would have taken a long here. We probably would be in a situation of like being irritated, but it's respecting this fair value gap, which is kind of interesting. I want to see if it comes up to any of like this fair value gap, and then possibly you can take a short if market wants to give us that. But out on the same side of it, we could possibly see it just shoot up and sweep this high. So I just want to see the reaction of what it does here in this area. Because ideally, that would have just taken a long here and would have been like, all right, cool. Like it closed and respected it. Now, what does it do in this area here? So this is where I'm thinking, like, do we take a short here and see more downside? Or is this just going to be the full move that we need to for it to sweep this high? Yep, and that would have been what we needed for that long to happen. So just
Order filled.
this real quick. I'll take a small loss, the case may be, but I'm not gonna be mad at myself for this because this entry is in a.
Order filled.
I wanted, somewhere in here, but it's okay. Mm, it went up.
Order filled. Order filled. Order
Yeah.
filled.
All right, market's coming down. I'll take that loss. So no longs. No long here. See some continuation on that. That's cool. Took 2 losses on that. What are 5 giving us? Is there news? No? Did I respect it? What about the 2-minute? Yeah, it did. I would like to take a
Order filled.
here. What you were talking about. Oh, market just wants to keep on going up. It's okay.
Order
I'm in a
filled.
bad spot right now. Okay. A little annoying. 'Cause here on the 2-minute, it's like whippy. It's like, okay, I could take a long here. I can look at it that way. 1 minute's just like, okay, we aren't really doing that what we should be doing. 5 minute, it's still like, huh? So that's why I tried to take a short here, because looking at this, well, looking at the 1 minute, I was like, okay, maybe we might just come down more, because it was a strong pull down, but at the same time, the bounce up was still even strong too. So let's see. There's no true. I'm gonna go. I'm in the middle of an area that I don't like being in. I figure I just want to try to take a little something
Order
out of the
filled.
market. So let's see if I can just take out that much. Anywhere around.
Order filled.
See? Don't like that at all. I don't know what's going on. Like, I really want to take shorts here. Like, I was looking for a short, but maybe I can get like a $100 move, close out, and look for a possible short if it doesn't continue to go up. But it's still like, it's getting me. So let's just evaluate.
Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah, we can't get a win on this one, chat. We getting smoked. Every trade we've taken has just been not it. Like, this is areas where I would look for longs because it's still respecting this fair value gap. There's no break of structure really. It's just been like whippy. Like, it hasn't even been like a comfortable pull in the area. Like, it's just been like, all right, well.
Order filled.
budget sometimes. Yeah, we probably need to get stopped out. I'm already just gonna have to chill. I can't even get like $100 in a trade, then this is horrible,
Order filled.
right? $800 loss already. Yeah. Every single trade I take and try. It's. I mean, again, I could have been a lot more patient with just certain areas, but it's like, okay, well, there's a FEG here where liquidity wants to come to. All right, cool. Let's see. Oh, now we want to go short. Like, what are we doing here? Where are we trying to go to? Like, we've already done 100-point move, and
Order filled.
I honestly just need like $100. I'm just trying to get $100 trades and then work my way back. I'm not even looking for like nothing crazy, crazy. We know we can see price come up here for sure. And then let's see, let's get to like 120s maybe. Probably close you out. Let's get to one. All right, none of that. Tell me out, Doug. That's cool. That's fine.
Order filled.
That's just crazy, yo. Just crazy, so crazy. Try this one more time. No, thank
Order
you.
filled.
I think you're done. But like, just getting started on the move. Don't come down. Just pop back up for me, please. Give me that 30 points.
Order filled.
All right. Well, unnecessary losses. I'm pissed that I missed the trade that I was looking for down here. I'm going
Order
for it.
filled.
Just give me some move to the upside, please. That's all I ask for right here. Just give me a move
Order
to
filled.
the. All right. That sucks. All right. I'm in the middle of a range that I don't want to be in. I don't want to take a position, but knowing me, I still will. And I bet you anything here, like if I go for a long, it's actually going to go for it.
Order filled. Order filled.
Crazy. Watch it go down. Like I'm keeping my stop tight because I don't want to lose more money than I'm already like going for. I can just get a nice entry for a move to the move to start going. I can close out early to take some profit out and be okay, cool. I can actually set myself up to be able to take a bigger trade. But I'm literally just scalping just to take some of this deficit off that I have up here. At least to take off this amount. Boom, boom, boom. I can work my way towards that, but it's not going. It's not happening. Like we had one trade that literally was like $100, but we're like, okay, I was looking for well, at least 120, even though my TP was at 200 and something. It was still like, hey, I still want to be able to take this particular move. So now, below. Is it that I want to take long to go against this trend?
Order filled.
So stupid doing this. I don't know why it's so weird. You give me $100, please. Not make me lose $100.
Order filled.
Jeez, bro. Like, what am I doing? What am I doing wrong here? See the setup. Like, let me take a little long. Let me get a scalp or something. Like, it's not even giving me like a FVG to the downside. Like, everything has just been fluctuated just so weird. So I just got to go with two cons. Make 40. But I think also too that I don't know what news came out today. I don't know what is driving the market to make this particular move. Yesterday was like my setups were there, so I took my setups. If I'd taken a long here, I would have had my $100 already. Would have been good. Boom, cool. Close that out. All right, now we got to work to make this amount. Cool, but it looks like we're just gonna hit DLL today, which kind of sucks because that was a lot of hard work that we put into just even making it this far. Still in the middle of a range that's already been a 100-point move to the downside already.
Order filled.
You're down 45 on that. So if I can make around $50 on this trade, I can close that out and look for a little bit more of a cushion.
Order filled.
Close that.
Order filled.
Cool. Took 100 off of that. Perfect. I'm okay with that. Again, we're just slowly gonna have to grind this today. Like we're really gonna have to like lock in and try to get as best as we possibly could. But this long would have been great earlier on the attempts that I tried to go long, as you guys saw. Maybe cut this deficit in half. Be cool. But you know, we still gotta be patient, wait for a proper setup, and just not keep jumping in like I've been doing. But again, there was areas where I thought it was best for me to take this particular trade, and it didn't work. So now we're down a grand. So And it looks like we're about to see more upside, but we also can look for here possibly for a short if this isn't a strong enough move, like, which would be nice because this will actually give us an entry for a trade to actually hold longer and see where it actually goes. So if this move, if this actually comes back up into here, I'll look to short. Even though it's a 1 minute, I know it's not like something that's, because look at here, like we're still, oh, we're in a 5 minute fair value gap here. Okay, that's what I want. Okay, I want to see this thing come up then. I want to see this thing come into here. Take a short at like 526 area. And then see this thing just go back into the 400s. Like the low 400s. That's what I'm looking to see. Okay. Let's see what this does. Come on. So I won't get in right away. I want to see if it will like, if it goes to it and it like, you know, it breaks out in a sense, it feels like, and then kind of comes down and closes within this fair value gap, then I'll be able to be okay with that. But all right, I'll take my entry. Short, but honestly speaking, I don't know. I feel like this might just do something funky on us and we'll probably just get that. Got 20 something seconds. Let's see if it respects us for a value gap or if it doesn't. Especially on the 5 minute, that's where we're looking at.
Order filled.
Let's see. Again, I'll be cool with like $100 some. I'm not be cool with $100 if we make this. But if we actually, if this actually comes and like respects this 5 minute fair value gap and comes down, oh yeah, let's make this money. Let's hold for longer. But again, I'm looking just to scalp, just to take some of this money off that I'm already down. So if we can make $100 real quick, oh cool. All right, let's take that and get up out of here.
Order filled.
All right, well, that's not, it didn't work. It didn't work. That didn't work in our favor. Cool, whatever. All right, let's look for, I guess.
Order filled.
You did all this. Better go
Order
up.
filled.
Yeah. All right, GG's. We're about to hit DLL, so I'm not even gonna try to even. I hate that you just came down, still come back up to where I was looking for at least the breakout. And now you go. I hate that. I hate that. Like all you had to do was just shoot up. Instead of coming down like it did, all you had to do is just pop up, boom. Didn't even have to hit my stop loss. Just pop up, boom, and go. all that hard work that we had made yesterday, literally making our grand yesterday. I mean, it was hard work, of course, but it was.
Order filled.
Keep going up, dog. See, my eyes are freaking. Go back to that $5 on me. Daily loss was like 1250, I think, right?
Order filled.
Okay. I'm okay. I'm just, it's not it. That's just not it. I literally was, what? Daily loss on is 1250. So, yeah, it's 1250. I thought it was 1200 flat, but it's 1250. There's not even no point to look for short here. We just need to look for long entries because it's literally just going to sweep this high. It's just these wicks have just been like really long. Like it's not been like a full candle open, close, and then another full candle open, close. It's just been, it's open, close with the long wick that from each candle that's open has been like a pullback in either direction. It hasn't been like a full strength move. So if this candle comes down into this fair value gap here, I would look to take a long. But we got a lot of work to do. We're able to save at least some of the day. You don't even want to pull back at all.
Order filled.
You don't want to come down at all, like right here.
Order filled.
That sucks.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
We couldn't get it. GG's. Now wants to fucking move. Oh, I hate this market. It worked so well yesterday. This new crap is just so freaking annoying. Like, you make certain moves like make no sense sometimes. Good deal though. You had to record it. It is what it is. GG's. Today I was hoping to have like an actual good trading day, at least a decent one. To be honest, today was just not it. But I also wanted to kind of go into perspective of talking about some things. But I honestly don't even want to do it after just a rough 40 minutes of me trading, or technically 30 minutes of me trading. I think we had one trade that was actually in our favor. Outside of that, it was just BS. But yeah, anywho, I wanted to talk about some things because it's kind of personal, kind of get off my chest, and hopefully people can kind of take into perspective and see insight on it and kind of get their viewpoint on things. But I figured I'm not going to do that this morning. Damn, I really am not happy about that trading session at all. One bit. We got a lot of work to do rest of the week, so that sucks. But a lot's on my mind, so I feel like maybe that is probably a reason why I kind of just didn't do well too this morning. Now, 20 trades. Now be negative 14 bucks. And we got a lot of work to do to get back into profit tomorrow. Sucks. I should have cut my losses a lot shorter, but you know, it's something I got to work on for sure. I definitely got to hold myself more accountable on that, because if I would have just taken the $400 loss on the day, kind of just, or waited until maybe the afternoon session to kind of look for another opportunity, then I would have been all right, cool. But as you guys saw, I just kept on trying to get something out of nothing, really. But in areas out of nothing, no clear direction, and this was on me. But yeah, all bad trades, small losses that added up. Literally only two profitable trades. Outside of that, they were all just bad trades. All bad trades starting this morning. So just because the fear of having FOMO, because I missed out on the move that I literally was watching, I told myself I would take this long, but I was still getting ready and wasn't on my computer at that time. So it is what it is. So it is what it is. We're gonna see a payout regardless. I'm gonna make it happen. I'm not gonna give up on that. Oh damn, I don't have that much room. I thought I had more room. I don't. I literally have around 600 bucks. 700 bucks, sorry. 700 and damn. I got a lot of work to do. A lot of work to do. I just realized that I was not paying attention to this at all. Honestly, I probably would have stopped myself a lot sooner if I saw this where I was at, because I didn't know how close I was. I thought since I had a good profitable day on Friday and on Monday, I was like, okay, cool. Maybe I should have a lot of cushion, but I really don't. And thankfully, I'm trading micros. I mean, if I was trading minis, it would be a lot worse, to be honest. Honestly, well, yesterday, if I was trading minis, I would probably be up a lot more. But I know for the fact that since I'm trying to be in this 24% consistency rule, it's not working. So I definitely need to save my account as best as I possibly can, because I got bills and stuff I got to take care of, and I want to see a payout. Definitely. I definitely want to see a payout. And after taking this hit, I probably won't see a payout till next week if I save this account, because even with the profitable day I had yesterday, I was still at 100%. So it didn't come down at all. It sucks because I'm like, damn, I really just needed, like, I was trying to hope to get like at least 500 bucks on the day so far and kind of just see where my percentage is at, but clearly today's not my day. And it happens. I can't be profitable every single day, especially since I made so much money on Wednesday of last week. It definitely messed me up, but at the same time, I got to shoot for a higher amount, take a little bit more trades, hold trades a little bit longer, just to be able to accommodate this amount. So it sucks because I was hoping to get to a payout so that I can reset, and then I can kind of just shoot for smaller amounts, shoot for $500 days, and then instead of having to shoot for $1,500 days, or $1,000 days. But again, we hit our DLL 3 times in a row, 3 times not in a row, but 3 times, and we still have cushion. Again, except for trading micros, we still have a chance. But it sucks because we took a loss, and now it's like, yeah, well, that momentum that we had yesterday is now gone. So I'm gonna have to try my best not to trade Asia session. That's part of one of my rules. But I know myself that since I need to try to get some of this money back, I'm gonna try and trade Asia session. So we'll see. We'll see how it goes. Yeah, I appreciate you guys tapping in as usual. Hope those that are trading, hope have you guys have a good day. Keep your head up and keep pushing forward. Let's get to this money and